In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Outline tab in Microsoft Word. The Outline view is useful when you're working with a long document and want to organize, review, or rearrange your content more easily. It allows you to see your document based on its heading structure, instead of viewing every paragraph normally. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to work with. Next, go to the View tab at the top of the Word window. In the Views section, look for Outline and click it. Word will switch your document into Outline view. You may notice that the document looks different from the normal print layout view. Instead of focusing on the complete page design, Word displays your content according to its outline levels. For the Outline view to work effectively, your document should use Word's built-in heading styles, such as Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. For example, you can use Heading 1 for major sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for smaller sections within those subsections. Once your headings are properly formatted, you can use the Outline tab to manage the structure of your document. At the top of the Outline tab, you'll find options for changing the outline level of selected text. You can promote a heading to a higher level or demote it to a lower level. This is useful when you want to change the organization of your document without manually changing every heading style. You can also expand or collapse sections. When a heading has content underneath it, you can collapse that section to temporarily hide the details and focus only on the main headings. Another useful feature is the ability to move entire sections. Select a heading and use the Move Up or Move Down controls to change its position in the document. When you move a heading, the content associated with that section can move with it, making it much easier to reorganize a long document. You can also use the Show Level option to control how many heading levels are displayed. For example, you can choose to display only the main headings when you want a quick overview of your document. When you're finished using Outline View, click Close Outline View to return to your normal document view. The Outline tab is especially useful for reports, research papers, books, and other long documents because it gives you a clear overview of the document structure and makes reorganizing sections much easier. And that's how you can use the Outline tab in Microsoft Word to organize, navigate, and manage the structure of your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,